Hello everyone. Do you ever get tired of using these nylon zip ties to secure things? They work okay, but I wanted to get something a little more heavy duty, so I invested in one of these stainless steel tie down tool sets. I just got it. So in the box you get a pair of gloves, you get the actual tool, it came with two sets of ties, different lengths, and a little instruction booklet, piece of paper, whatever. So I did play with it a little bit. I already made one of the rings. Now you can, as long as it's not ratcheted down, you can release by coming in this way. But now this one I already have ratcheted down, so I haven't been able to release it. But as long as it's not tight, if you come in from the other end with another tie and just push it in there, you'll hear a little click. And I don't know if it's like a little ball or something under there that you need to lift up, but if you can get that to release, you can reuse this. And I might be able to do this one if I can find something a little more rigid to get under there and release whatever that mechanism is. But anyway, I'm just going to use mallet here as a quick example. So when you get it, you're going to slide the band in starting here, feed it all the way through, and you're going to get back to these set of little teeth or jaws back here, and you're going to feed it down the middle. The band will be coming through there. Focus. And then once you're done ratcheting and it's tight, you just lift that forward to cut it. That'll cut it off. So you just start your band, feed that through. You're going to want to push enough of it through that when you grab your tool, I guess when you grab whatever you're trying to tighten down, so you'll pull it. Actually, I'm going to put this closer to the edge so it's easier to get off later. Just pull that tight. Take this. You can slot it in this way if you want. Be a little bit clumsy the way I'm doing it because I'm trying to look through a camera as I do this. I'm trying to keep it in frame while I do it. So there it is. I got it right in the kind of the center of that jaw, those teeth, and just bring it all the way forward. So it's like that, and ratchet it, move it forward, pull it tight again. So it's nice and tight there. I can't ratchet it any more than that. The teeth back here are gripping it, and it's pulling this band that way. So now I just got to grab the cut off part, flick forward, and it's done. It's cut. So I didn't get that as tight as I could have, but it does work well. So when I tried it earlier, it was really tight. Just like I said, it's more difficult when I'm trying to do it through the lens of a camera. But yeah, there it is. Better for a lot of situations compared to the nylon ones. Just another close-up look at the tool. Yeah, seems to work well. There you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.